So we're joined with the head coach of the Reggae Girlz, Hubert, and also the captain of the Reggae Girlz, Khadija Shaw. Coach, firstly, the opening remarks on the result this evening.
Well, first, it was a great result, long overdue. And secondly, just absolutely thrilled to have the people and the fans of Montego Bay up supporting us. And lastly, again, I've said it all along, we're blessed to have one of the best strikers in the world playing in a Jamaica jersey, and yeah, it's great to have him back.
Yeah, and before we open the floor for questions from media, just Bunny, your thoughts being back and playing as well for your country.
Yeah, long 14 months away, but yeah, like I said earlier, it's good a couple days to get back in the rhythm, get to know the coaching staff, the background staff, and all the new players and the players that was here before. So I think, yeah, it's just good. Yeah, just happy to get the result, and we keep moving.
Thank you. So members of the media, please raise your hand, indicate yourself, and you may pose a question related to Coach Bubsy or to Bunny. Yes, go ahead.
Adrian Fruity from the Gleaner. Coach, coming into the game, I'm sure you had your set objective. To what extent did you achieve that objective tonight? 3-0 seems to be a dominant result.
Yeah, I think it was really about the performance. Obviously the win is the end result. We're here to win football matches, but really it's about the performance. And I was really pleased, we talked about it at half, we're making sure that we complete a 90-minute performance. We haven't kept some clean sheets and we haven't done a good enough job, and that's the foundation of our success, is making sure that we're keeping clean sheets and keeping the opposition from scoring. And I think that's a really positive aspect to take out of this game. I think also it has to be said, Leah Brooks, 19 years old, she comes in, makes her debut, looks like a veteran. And again, it just goes credit to show that the depth and the program that we're building, to have her come in and look flawless. She looks like she played 20 games today. So again, I'm really happy for her and happy for the team as a whole, because we defended and kept it clean sheet.
Thank you very much. Paul?
Really from the observer. Was Brooks the first choice keeper for today?
Well, yeah, and obviously, we have Becky. She's here. She's feeling a little bit under the weather from the flight coming in, and so we just wanted to make sure that we didn't do anything, to risk that. And yeah, that's why we have players to step in these sort of moments, and we have full faith in everybody who's called in to put on this jersey, represent their country, and yeah, she's done a really good job, and we're hoping that Becky's feeling better in the next couple of days.
Also, if you're going to speak to them, midfield, okay?
It's always important. I think for us, it's the connector. Making sure that we're keeping the ball moving and supplying the balls to our forward, but also making sure that we're dictating the tempo. And I thought, Jay, Drew, and Lance did a really good job today on both sides of the ball in terms of possession. We did well. There's a few moments at the beginning of the game where we were just kind of finding our rhythm. They adjusted really well, and really pleased in terms of how those three did, and also the ones who came in afterwards to spell them. So like I said, complete team performance, and really happy with the result.
Yes, thank you.
Andre James, representing for ATG Pipeline /UVC TV Jamaica. Good evening. Bubsy, I'd like to congratulate you once again on taking up your first major assignment as head coach. With the forthcoming World Cup qualifier series to begin for the 2027 tournament in Brazil, how serious are you looking at getting additional youth players on your team?
Look, everyone who's eligible to play for Jamaica is under consideration. I think it's not just about bringing players in, it's about improving the ones we have as well, and creating a culture of excellence and ensuring that it's a competitive environment. So, we have a journey to go, and we're just on the first part of that journey, but the players know they're in professional environments every single week. They know what it's like, they know what it means to compete, and they also know what it means to put on the jersey and represent their country. So, yeah, we're always looking to players to come in and to not just add to the group, but to make addition and improve it if need be. And also, we've had about 6 teenagers in the group coming in to this game as well. So really pleased to see those players and how they kind of matriculate to the system as well.
Thank you. Kathia?
Hi, Kathia from Love 101. Khadija, it's 14 months away from the squad. You're back in the squad. How does it feel to be scoring in front of your home crowd again?
Yeah, it's always good to put back the jersey on. The past couple months have been difficult with my injury, but you know, I took that time to work on myself mentally and physically, and yeah, I wanted to make sure that when I come back, I was fully fit and fully raring to go. So when I got the call from Coach Busby, it was an easy decision once I was back playing, having the confidence. But yeah, back home, in front of my people, my family, amazing feeling.
Any other question, Jordan?
Bunny, you look rather, your physique's kind of changed. Is there any reason for the change in your physique? To me, you look a little bit faster, but I would like you to expound on it.
No, like I said, the past couple months have been really difficult. Luckily for me, the environment that I'm in give me the support and all the attention and care that I need. And yeah, I've been working closely with everyone back at my club. And yeah, we came up with a plan to see how best I could come back in time for the season. And I think we managed to make that objective. And here I am now.
We can take two more.
Yeah, Bonnie, you are in an amazing scoring patch. How close you are to top form? Would you say you are in the best shape of your life now in terms of goal scoring?
I think for me, I always look where I can improve, and I think I missed a chance just before I scored the second goal, and I think those are the little things that I think that even though I'm scoring, I think I can go even higher with what I'm capable of. But yeah, I'll definitely say that I'm where I need to be at the moment, but yeah, I have more to improve.
We can take one more.
Yes, congratulations again to you, Khadija Bunny Shaw. Exceptional performance, and of course, being the best goal scorer not only just in Jamaica but the Caribbean at the EPL level, Women's Super League, that is. Tell us, how did you put that through to the pinnacle point?
A long journey, a lot of ups and downs, a lot of difficult moments. It's been difficult, but the support that I have around me makes it easy. I always say that, and I think like I said, the environment makes you and breaks you, and I think for me, the environment that I'm in, the players that I have around me makes my job a little bit easier. So yeah, I think I just have to keep improving and keep growing as a person, both on and off the field. But yeah, I think the environment that I'm in helps me to flourish.
Coach, thank you. Thank you, members of the
Thank you, Chairman.
Thank you.